The question says there are 5 friends, namely Purnam, Mayank, Samir, Ashutosh. Yeah, all of you can also switch on your microphone to ask me the query if there is anyone. 5 friends, namely P, M, S, A, and there are 2 names which are coming with S, with their surname being Sharma, Mahajan, Gemini, Singh, and Tiwari. Not necessary in that order. Went for shopping. Each friend prefer a apparel of a particular brand. The brands are CP, Color Plus, Pepe, Numero Uno, and Levi's, Raymonds. Not necessary in that order. They purchase jeans, t-shirt, shirt, suit, and pant. The amounts spent by each of them is 300, 800, 900, 1600, and 2100. Not necessary in that order. Mr. Singh spent 1300 more than Pranav Sharma. So, my dear, what are the names that is given to you? The names are Pranav. Let's start with the name. So, we got Pranav, Mayank, fine. Then the name is Samir. I'm sure you will draw like this. We got Ashutosh. And then there's the Sumit. Fine. Their surnames are also given to you. This is what is given here. And the surnames are also given there. Fine. So what do we know here? First is surname. Then apparel they are using, they are buying, the brand that they have, and the amount of money that they are going to spend on it. Fine. Now it is given that, and of course the surnames are also given there. Fine. And the amount which are given here, it is 300, 800, 900, 1600, and 2100. In fact, I can write at the top so that you can see 300, 800, 900, 1600, and 2100. Fine. So let's continue with this. Then it is given Mr. Singh. The first point of this, Mr. Singh spent 1300 more than Pranav Sharma. So first thing is Pranav is Sharma, but less than the man who purchased a brand Numero Uno. So Mr. Singh spent 1300 more than Pranav Sharma. I don't know what he's going to spend, but Mr. Singh. So there's a surname. I don't know where this Singh will be fitting in, but I know he is going to spend 1300 more than Mr. Sharma. Fine. Then it is given, but less than the man who purchased Numero Uno. So this is going to purchase less than Uno. Fine. Then it is given that Samir spent thrice as a man who purchased a t-shirt. Now there's one more information which is given, the man who purchased t-shirt. I am not knowing the name. So what I'll do is I'll extend this and I'll say someone is going to buy a t-shirt. And Samir spent thrice. Is there any value which is thrice here? I know 3 threes are 9, 8 threes are 24, which is not coming there. So Samir spent thrice as much as a man who spent 300 rupees over it. So I'll say that t-shirt will be 300 and Samir is going to spend 900. I believe it is clear. So one thing is clear. The second part here is the difference between them is 1300. So 300 plus 1300 is 1600. 800 plus 21, 1300 is 2100. Is that fine? So I know this cannot be 2100. Reason is if X is 8, this will be coming out to be 2100, but is less than Numero Uno. So can I say this value will come out to be, X is coming out to be 300 and this comes out to be 1600. I believe all of you agree to this one because it cannot be equal to 2100. क्या आपको समझ में आया? And Numero Uno, the brand, Numero Uno that we are going to own is certainly going to come out to be 2100. I believe it is clear. So this is 1600, this is 300, this is 900. These are the values that we are going to know here. Fine. And what is 301? That is t-shirt. The apparel that is to be used is t-shirt. Fine. So this data is already used. I'll say this is already used so far. Let's go back to this one. Numero, you know, item purchase costs 7 times as much as Levi's item. So Uno is going to cost 7 times that of Levi's. We know is going to come 2100, which is thrice of the Levi's, 7 times of the Levi's item. So Levi's comes out to be 300. So can I say the brand is also known here? Fine. So that is also known here. So this part is clear. Let's go back to the earlier one. The person who purchased jeans spend less than the man who buys raiment. So jeans is going to, cheaper than raiment, but more than the man who buy CP brand. So what do you get? You get CP brand. The jeans is not CP and it is also not raiment. This is the order that is going to come here. Fine. Then it comes out to be, so we already know that Levi's is the cheapest one. Then I'll say CP will come out to be 800. This will come out to be 900. This will come out to be 1600. You must be thinking why you are saying so, because numero is already given as a 2100. So I hope you understand the 1600 one is going to be raiment. Is that fine? And 900 one is coming out to be what? The apparel that I'm going to use is G. The CP is coming out to be 800. Fine. The CP is 800 and raiments is 1600. That is what we know. And jeans comes out to be 900. And numero, of course, that is coming out to be 2100. Then again, going back to this one, this is what we have already done. This is done. This is done. The person who purchased jeans spend less than the man who buys raiment, but more than the one. This is also used. Mr. Gemini spend more than the man who bought brand Levi's, or one who bought shirt, but less than both Ashutosh and Mr. Tiwari. Very important one. Gemini spent more than the man who buy brand Levi's, or one who bought shirt. So there are two people. One is buying Levi's and second is buying shirt, but less than Ashutosh or Mr. Tiwari. Fine. I hope it is clear. That is what is given here. Further, suit was the costliest item. So let's come to this one. Gemini spent more than Levi's, or the one who is going to buy shirt. I know Levi's is t-shirt. So shirt, say Gemini is coming out to be more, and it is less than Ashutosh and Mr. Tiwari. Fine. Some of you may be confused. Is Ashutosh a Tiwari? Fine. So it is saying one who bought shirt, but less than both. The word both says that Tiwari and Ashutosh are not the same people. So they are different people. Both means there are two people coming here. Can I say from this Gemini comes out to be 900? So Gemini is the one who is going to buy jeans. I hope it is clear. And Ashutosh and Tiwari are the two people who lies in the range of 1600 and 2100. So I know 2100 must be coming out to be Tiwari, because I know 1600 is coming out to be Singh. So Tiwari will come out to be 2100. Fine. So can Ashutosh be Tiwari? No, Ashutosh is not Tiwari. Can Ashutosh be Singh? Yes, Ashutosh needs to be Singh, and he is going to buy the brand raiment, which is coming out to be 1600 here. I believe it is clear. Anyone, any doubt here so far? Yes. So Tiwari is the one which can be Sumit Tiwari or Mayank Tiwari can be there. So we are not sure, but yes, we know about the Gemini, we know about Singh, we know about Sharma. That is what is given here. Fine, clear everyone? Let's come to the next one. Suit was the costliest item. So I know the suit 2100 was coming out to be suit. So Tiwari is going to wear the suit. Fine. One person having the name and surname is starting with the same alphabet. There's only one person whose name and surname will be starting with the same. So what are the surnames which are left here? Singh, Gemini, Sharma is coming here. So I think one is Tiwari and second is Mahajan. So the one who are left here are Tiwari and Mahajan. They need to fit them. Singh, Gemini is already coming. Samir is Gemini, Ashutosh is Singh. One Mayank can be Mahajan or Sumit can be Tiwari. That is the only thing, because one of the person surname and name start with the same. So it is Mayank Mahajan, and this will come out to be Tiwari. Do you agree with it? So my dear, Tiwari is going to wear the suit. That is no, that is 2100. Mayank is Mahajan, and the value which is left here is 800, which is CP Color Plus. So I know what is the brand which is left here. I think there is the Pepe is the brand which is left here. Pepe will come here. Why? Because Color Plus is 800, which is coming here. Now, Tiwari suit, this is complete. Singh, this is coming. Jeans is coming. And there was a shirt also given somewhere. I think, yeah, shirt is numero uno. Suit, sorry. T-shirt is done. I think shirt was also given there. Levi's is shirt. Where is Levi's? Levi's is, sorry, T-shirt. So there's one more. Gemini is going to earn more than the person who is buying shirt. So he's going to buy shirt. Can I say that is 800 because Gemini is 900? And suit, jeans, shirt, T-shirt is done. I think there's something more which is left here. Is there something that we are leaving? Yeah, it is pant. So the pant will be of Raymond. Is it clear? So I'm able to fit in everything. Jeans got purchased from Samir Gemini. So my answer is Samir. Suit is from which brand? Suit is Maro, you know. Mayank's surname is Mahajan. I think it is already known. How much money was spent by Ashutosh? Ashutosh spent 1600 rupees. Fine. So I think first part is clear. In case of any doubt, you can ask me. Let's move to the second part of it.